guys, today we're making delicious Keema Kachori. When you break into one of these delicious Keema Kachoris, as you can see, the bread is nice and soft and crunchy with a delicious spicy filling. So let's get started with the ingredients. 2 cups of washed mince, 2 chopped onions, ginger and garlic paste 1 tablespoon, Fennel seed powder 1 tablespoon, Cumin seed powder 1 tablespoon, crushed dried red chilies to taste, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon. If you want to know how to make homemade garam masala, check the link below. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. We're using fresh chopped chives, 1/4 cup. You can use parsley or coriander. Salt to taste. Now heat up 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Put in the chopped onions, salt, and give it a little bit. Cook the onions until it goes like very light brown. Now we're putting our ginger and garlic paste. Give that a mix. Now we're putting in our mince. And mixing that in. Now adding the spices. Now adding your chives, parsley or coriander leaves, whichever you prefer to use. And give that a mix. Cook this for 5 minutes on a low flame. After 5 minutes on a low flame cooking, cook on a high flame and continuously stir until there is no oil or water inside and it's dry. Now, leave it to cool down. The ingredients for the dough is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and water required. So we're adding our salt to our flour and rubbing that in. Now, by pouring in a bit of our water, we're going to make it into a medium dough, so it's not going to be that soft and it's not going to be that hard. You know when the dough is done, when you press it and it rises up again, like this. So next we're going to grease it with a little bit of oil. Make sure you grease it on both sides. Now we're going to leave this to rest for 20 minutes. Now with melted butter and flour, we're going to make like a glue. Or you can use melted ghee. We're using melted ghee and we're going to mix in the flour. Now with our dough, we rested it for 20 minutes and we're going to make it into small balls. Sprinkle some flour onto your board to flatten out your dough. Roll it out. Now we're going to spread the glue Sprinkle some flour on top. Fold it and put glue on. Then fold it again. And fold it inwards. Now we're going to do the rest like this. Now you're going to roll this out. Now in the centre, add your filling. We're adding 2 tablespoons of the filling. Then gather it up. And then dab a little bit of water with your fingers at each of the sides. And then seal it closed. We're beating it up by corner to corner, sealing it closed to get the shape that we want. Stretch it out. Now you're going to fold in the corners to the middle to make the shape we want. And once it's sealed properly, so the oil doesn't sink in, we're going to fry it. Make sure the oil is piping hot before putting it in. Now you're going to put it in and then turn it onto a low flame. Make sure you're moving it around so it doesn't burn. Fry until golden brown on both sides. Take her out once it's golden brown like this. Make sure you drain out the oil. So here we have a delicious, simple and easy Keema Kachori. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills. And like and subscribe and comment down below. And check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.